Hello viewers, Sriram here. Thanks for watching this video today. And I have Mini Subramanian in front of me. She cleared PMP on 4th of July. And her story, when you're going to listen now, you're going to be very excited. Lots of ups and downs, thrillers, suspense, all happened there. And something happened. Then I said, okay, we'll give it a day of time, then we'll think of it. And morning, I'm saying, hey, I cleared PMP. I said, what happened? On the Monday night, I spoke that we'll do another day. She said, okay, I'm done. So kind of, she's so passionate about clearing this exam, so much dedicated towards the preparation. We'll listen all the story from her. Before that, congratulations, Mini, for this great success.
Thank you, Sriram.
Great. What we do is we'll first see the certificate. Here it goes, July 4th. So 3 years. So after 3 years, what do you have to do, Mini, for the certificate? You have to write the exam again?
No, I I have to gain the 60 PDUs. You're still testing my knowledge. You will not stop. I got my certificate.
No, I want to see whether you're scared. Wow, one more time. Do I need to?
No. I'm looking forward to it now. I started loving this project,
Loving it.
PMP. So yeah, I'm looking forward to finishing the 60 PDUs.
Okay. Okay. That's nice. That's nice. So I can see I had to leave a 3-year-old son home. Okay. So how much your kid supported you for the exam?
Oh, he was very understanding because I used to tell him I have a teacher, and sometimes I used to show your video also, and this teacher is very strict. He's going to beat me, so you better move away. I'll study, and also he used to
Vinny,
understand.
this is unfair. Huh? You show me and give me food. There is a
Yeah.
guy, scary guy there.
Yeah. So more than him, my husband supported a lot. So
Nice.
whenever class or something was there, he will just take my son to a park, and both will be out of the house. So in
Nice.
that way, there was a lot of support.
Cool, right? I think this PMP is a team effort.
Yeah,
And
yeah, definitely.
so many times I see this exam, not only you, I spoke to many of them. It's not a one-person effort. It has to be from
Mm.
the family members. They all has to be together. Then only you can go for this exam.
Right, right.
Because this exam is ups and downs, ups and downs. Some moral support is needed.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
you will not feel one day great, one day, other day you will feel down. So it's
Mm.
someday score will come 75%. Super. Next day 62, 61, 55. Oh, am I ready? Okay. Little background about you. Where are you from? What do you do? Kind of.
Okay, so I'm from Kerala
Hmm.
and I've been working in Bangalore for the last 10 years. I
Hmm.
have a total experience of 12 years.
Very good.
And right now I'm in the IT industry
Uh-huh.
and I have a lot of things to do with agile and all. So this really helped me.
Nice, nice, nice. So 12 years, fine. So what
Yeah.
pushed you to think about PMP? From where the spark happened?
So in my previous organization, before I joined the organization I'm working right now, we had this PMO team.
Uh-huh.
And I was actively involved in creating the SOWs for different e-learnings and all. So I'm a e-learning developer, instruction
Hmm.
designer.
Hmm.
So we had this talking to clients, then setting the schedule and everything. And I was seeing how they're doing it, and it looked interesting.
Hmm.
So we have everything there itself, like what can go wrong, what will go wrong, all the risk management, it's all there. So that
Hmm.
was interesting for me. And
Hmm.
then I thought I should pursue this more.
Hmm.
So then I came to your class, and then bang, everybody was like so passionate about it. And then it slowly came in, and now I'm like, okay, this is where I want to be.
The moment you saw join the class, you will start getting the fever.
Yeah, yeah. It's like, oh my God, people are giving so much importance to this. I have to clear this.
Okay, people gave importance. Let's park that one side. How do you see your LinkedIn after you post this? What is the importance in the
Um,
world level?
yeah, I mean, I couldn't believe it. Like, I have some 200 friends requests in the last 3 days. So I'm like, okay, good. So I'm a lot of people asking me how did I clear the PMP. They have been messaging me personally to know which books I read, what was my
Right,
schedule, and
right,
who trained me. So which coaching center you went to, which books you followed. So it's good. It's good helping people because a lot of
right,
people are coming from project management team, and
right,
that it's good. It's the interactions and all. It's good. So I'm
right.
enjoying it.
Cool, cool. See, now you got right. It is not only the class we have the fever. All over the world, the fever is there.
Yes,
See,
yes.
last 100 years or next 100 years, management is going to be there, will be there. But efficient leadership and management is needed in the world. So why people come to PMP is it will tune a person to become an efficient leader. So you maybe from any industry, you need this kind of a skill. Okay, that's why the fever is there. But one thing I observed in the classes, the moment class starts, people get super fever, and everybody in the rush. Some people will be scared of the rush because not everybody prepare for the speed, right? They'll be scared. Why these guys are running so fast? Okay, so
I remember when the class was happening and people were planning to write in 20 days. So I was just observing and I thought, oh my God, I can't do this. If you bring within 20 days, I can't do this. And then I remember I came to you and said, see, I don't think I can do it in this 20 days time because I have that, I have this, so give me some time. So you said, yeah, whenever you're ready, write the exam. And I wrote it after 1.5 years, but it was at the perfect time.
True. So many we have a lot of commitment, right? See, people coming to these classes would be age of 25 to or 23, 25 to 45, 50.
I'm way beyond that, decades beyond that.
And the thing is, everybody has a personal commitment. We can't force anybody. So it should be their personal interest to come back. Very good. So now this all started. Spark is good. So what kind of book reading habit you had for this exam?
Yeah, so one thing that helped me definitely for PMP is my speed of reading. I have the habit of reading a lot. So when I booked my exam, I prepared with Frita 6th edition.
Okay.
So that is like 800 books, and I read the 800 books in 7 days.
No,
800 pages, 800 pages book.
You said just 600. That itself I understood what you are. Just 800. Okay. So 800 itself just means then nothing to say for you.
Sorry. So per day, some 100, 110 pages is easily going. So that is one thing I think has helped me.
God, man. So you are the first bencher in the school days, huh?
No, I was last bencher in your class also. I was last. I was the last bencher.
Okay, I understand. Good to have a book reading habit. I always tell people in the classes, I used to ask that what was the last book you read, and people look at me, oh, book when I didn't read. So
actually, I started reading like last 1 year because I understood speed is important. So I restarted reading actually.
Nice.
So I had left all that. And mostly reading all the management books and all, but trying to grasp the idea by just reading it and not the by hearting way to read. So that was what I was doing. Different.
Very good. Since you work in Agile, you were able to catch up faster with the Rita 10th edition. A lot of Agile concepts.
Yeah, I think so. So I hadn't worked in Agile industry for last 11 years. This is the first time I'm working in an Agile company and Agile projects. So when I was there, it helped me a lot. So when I was taking a training, it was like I was just doing it by heart. I was just reading the concepts. But when I last 1 year, I was able to integrate the concepts I learned at my workplace. So it actually helped.
Yeah. It's fine, right? You got a practical knowledge to apply.
Yes.
That's interesting.
The questions are all scenario based, so it's not by hearting or mugging up. So it is scenario based, which helps if we have experience.
Okay. Good. So not much delaying, let's go to your fun ride of the exam. So how many times you attacked these guys to get it? Let's go. So what happened? Where it started?
Yeah, so I think it's total 4 times. 4 or 5. I lost count.
So when it started, how it started?
I booked my PMP exam in November 2020. So it's like 6 or 7 months back. August. So now it's July. So in May, I thought now I have 3 more months to go. I have to start studying. So because of pandemic and I was like nicely, doing other things, not attending PMP. I'm not doing this after the pandemic. I'll do. But then it looks like pandemic is not going to go away anytime soon. So and my 1 year is getting over. So I thought now I have to write.
Okay.
So I booked it for May 17th.
Okay.
This May 17th, 2021.
2021, May 17th, you booked it. Okay.
Yeah, I booked it. So I studied like 2 weeks. That was good, solid studying for 2 weeks.
Mm.
So that's the time I said in 7 days I completed the Rita book. I did all the exercises and everything,
Very good.
and I sat down for the exam. It was 2:30 in the afternoon, is what I booked.
Mm.
And then something is happening. The system is not getting connected, and then somebody calls me for the all the verification thing, and the screen just goes blank, and they say your exam is rescheduled. So I was like, what did I do? Did I click somewhere? What happened? And then I called and they're like, no, it's cancelled. So I was like, okay, now I had to pay again. So I was worried. So that is when I called you and you said that it has happened to one more person. So we just need to call and tell them
Right.
we'll give a. Yeah.
Right.
So
New date.
I told. So
Mm.
I called them. They gave me a case number, asked to get back to customer care again. And then I tried that for close to 3 weeks. And
Ah,
then at the end of 3 weeks, I was able to book it for July 4th,
okay. From May
2:30 p.m.
17th, May 17th, it became July 4th. Okay.
July 4th. So
Mm.
I was in between projects, so I couldn't take out time for that. So I left it. Then I'm looking back at the thing on June 28th,
Mm.
and I have some 5 days to go.
Mm.
So I again started brushing up, and I took leave for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday because Sunday is my exam. I studied everything. 2:30 I am at the table, and yeah, the most important thing is trying to keep everybody silent. So I locked the door.
That's the toughest
Everybody,
part. Huh?
yeah. So I
Okay.
locked the gate because nobody should come inside the house and ring
And
the
ring the
bell.
bell. You should have removed the bell.
I would have done that. And then I told my parents and all my, so we are in a joint family right now. There are 10 members in the house right now. I told
Okay.
everybody you have to be in that part of the house. Nobody comes out. Nobody makes noise.
I think you draw a line in the floor. You don't cross this line, you'll be punished.
Yeah. My kids and siblings, I can still tell. My parents, I couldn't. I'm like, you shouldn't come here. They'll ask, why? I'm having an exam. So just like that.
I like that
And then,
question. So what?
yeah. So I
Okay.
started and at 3:15 till 3:15, all this is going on again on
Hmm.
July 4th.
July 4th.
Again, it gets cancelled because it says that some system issue is there, something is not working, and it just cancels automatically.
You are
So
not
then
even
I
taken one question. You are not even taken
no,
one question.
no. So
You are
this is the
supposed to
second
take the
time.
exam, but I'm receiving a call from you. I said, what happened? Again. She said, Shriram, this time also. How many times? Yeah.
So you're like, what is wrong with this person? Why is it happening to you? So
See,
I'm
you are
also
supposed
thinking,
to write the exam. By the time you're calling me, Shriram, something, what's happening?
so I was writing it from home. So I thought this is not working. So you also
Working
advised me home is not working. Maybe you should try it from the center. So
center.
then I checked the next nearest center is 600 kilometers from my place. So that is 12 hours. And in this pandemic, I cannot travel. But
Right.
still, my husband was like, let's book somewhere. I'll drive you down. Let's do it.
Wow. Look
I
at the
said,
commitment
"Okay."
he has. Huh?
I was like, why is this guy pushing me so much to travel? I don't want to travel. So
Even a
I,
husband did a good job. You're doubting him. Huh?
so I said, okay, give you some time to think. And then
Okay.
people are all, the body is swarming over the problem.
Oh.
Dad is like, you go this side. Mom is like, you go that side. You go to this place. You do this. Everybody's like, I'm going mad. So I told, okay, everybody give me a break. Let me think. I go to a room again. I sit there. Then I just try and they're showing reschedule option was there. So I went to PMI website, did all that, and that button was there. Unlike last time where I had to call the customer care and get the reschedule option,
Right.
here it is already showing the option that particular day. So
Mm.
I just clicked reschedule and checked when is the next date because I thought like 1 month before, if I give more lag time, it's very difficult for me to get back to that mode.
Right.
So
Right.
let me see, maybe tomorrow I will book, and then I see next appointment is at 4:30. So
Uh-huh.
by this time it is 3:30. So in 15 minutes, I thought, okay, let me do this third time. Anyways, it should work.
Uh,
So and I just asked my husband, can you make everything correct, all background apps? So close control alt edit. He just taught me everything, how to delete background things which I did not know. We have all IT people to do for us. So I did
uh,
not IT department. I just give my laptop and tell them, I need this.
uh,
So then I learned that, and then 4:30 I appeared for the exam. So now the new problem is I was able to get through. The question started showing. New problem is one patch is showing on top of my questions. So there is one rectangle that comes with a face recording and chat help or whatever. One thing comes on the top. Instead of coming on the top, it's coming on middle of my questions.
Oh,
So,
that's bad, right? It's going to hide a
yeah.
portion of
Yeah.
your
So I
question.
cannot see half of the question. I cannot see 3 or 4 options. So
Okay.
then there is a click help button is there, which we click. It's a very good feature for everybody who's going to write to so there's a help feature. Click chat, we can help, and the chat will pop up and they'll help us out with whatever is happening. So I told them this is happening. I'm going to fail because I can't see any questions. How am I supposed to answer? And they are like, oh, okay, let's see. So I said, whatever you do, please don't cancel. This is the 4th time.
Enough, yeah, multiple times.
Yeah. So then she tried to do something in the background, nothing is happening. And then she said, like, I think I'll have to close this exam. You will have to reschedule. Then I go and tell my parents again, it's rescheduled. Why now? I'm like, okay, this I'm going to do it. Now this is
God.
so then my dad was like, okay, I think today is not the day. Just leave it. Just take a break.
So already 3 attempts happened.
3 attempts happened.
So one
Did
is
not happen.
May 17th and July
Yeah.
4th. July 4th,
Yeah.
what time you tried? Morning you tried.
2:30.
2:30 you tried. Then again, what time you tried?
4:30.
4:30 evening PM you tried it. Okay.
Yes.
Now
Yes.
next.
That also.
God.
So they said that then by that time everybody is like, bad negative vibes. Everybody is like, okay, it's not happening. What's happening? And they went. And I said, I want to give one more attempt. Let me check. And I checked for the same day. There was no slots for the same day. Only the next day, 1 a.m. there is a slot.
Okay.
I thought, should I give this? So I went and asked, like, this is slot at 1 a.m. So I was just discussing with my family. So I'm going to write, it's fine, right? And my husband is like, are you mad? 3 times? Just leave it. Today's not the day. You take it later. So I'm like,
Okay.
one last try. Give me one last try. Let me try.
Right.
So I booked it. And one more thing I thought is like, anyways, if it happened in the morning time, the kids shouting and everything, all the 3 times I could hear the shouting and everything. That's not
Ah.
getting the concentration. So I thought, okay, if it's at night, why not? It's going to be silent and I'm going to get all the concentration.
Right, right. So it is
We slept by
officially it is a
6:30.
July 5th, 1 a.m. India time, whereas in US it is
Yes.
July 4th. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's a good day, American Independence Day. So,
Nice. So then it started
yeah.
properly.
So then, everything was going properly. No, it did not start properly. There was some hiccups were there. It was showing like some store app is open, and I couldn't figure out what store is open.
Ah.
So then
Maybe
I went to the
laptop.
background.
Is it something with the laptop? The laptop which you use had all this problem?
No, I think generally when we use, there will be apps that we have open, but there are background apps also, right? Like the keypad or the camera app. So things will be working. So what
Yeah.
I figured out is when we right click and there is an option to delete, then it is it's something that we can delete. But if
Hmm.
something is saying the system does not allow you, that means that is something that's required for the processing at that particular time.
Got you.
So
Got you.
so
Okay.
that was there.
Brilliant.
Then I
Brilliant.
started and it again went off for 2 times. But
Hmm.
luckily this time they were able to relaunch it and it was working. So
Very
somehow it
good.
started, and then again it went, and I was praying, "Oh God, no, not fifth time. This shouldn't get, please." And then, luckily, maybe because I prayed, I don't know, and then it worked properly.
So spiritual power started working, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
So then it went, and once this exam started, everything was fine for us. It went calm. Everything was peaceful. There was no sound. I could attend the exam, everything easily, no issues. And then I passed.
That's good, right? In a way, it's something like multiple attempt at finally you reached it. The destination
Yeah.
has been reached. So first thing I would appreciate your determination. The whole family says, no, no, leave it. But you felt that, man, today is a
Yeah.
day. Right? You are so confident on what. See, when somebody is not prepared, they will find some excuse to escape from the exam.
Yeah.
Okay. Somebody is well prepared, will find all the things in the world to write the exam that day.
I don't think so, but it was because of that. It was because I don't have the stamina to take it more forward next
Furthermore,
day
you
in
want to
evening.
close it out. You want to close it
I want
out.
to close it out. Yeah, yeah. It was
God.
dragging for a long time.
I know, and it's a big burden, right, from the shoulder. If you put it down, you feel, oh my God, it's over. Okay, I like this story. Keep listening to you for a last 1 week. It was happening, thrilling, up and down. Really appreciate your efforts. I talk about the exam. How was the exam paper for you?
So standard, of course, it is high standard.
You felt
The
it. Okay.
quality of questions were very good.
Uh-huh.
What I noticed was there were few 5 to 10 questions from Prepcast,
Ah,
word by word.
wow.
So,
That's
so yeah,
interesting.
during my preparation, I had taken 4 tests of Prepcast once, and then the last 2 tests I had taken it 2 times each.
Hmm.
So the questions had almost become by heart, and some 10 questions were there, which was exact same. Even the options were same. So, yes.
Okay. Okay, let it be with you. Secret. Okay. Hmm.
Okay.
Fine.
So
How about the agile part? Were they more agile, or was
yeah,
there
yeah.
more about hybrid?
I think 70% was agile questions, no,
Hmm.
hybrid questions, and 20 was percent was pure agile. Baki only was normal
Predictive
waterfall.
predictive model. Okay. Few predictive
Yeah.
model, more of a hybrid model.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Are you able to connect in the hybrid model when they ask the question? Are you able
Yeah,
to get
actually,
the?
I'm because that has been the way of working now. That is what I'm getting more than the waterfall model right now.
I
So
understand. I
it's okay
understand.
for me.
Okay, that's quite interesting. See, until until you get the clarity of what they're trying to ask, right? That's pretty important because most of them get confused. Is it a predictive? Is it adaptive, or a hybrid? They struggle to get the context in the question because a hybrid, as such, you cannot sit and learn as a topic. Hybrid is a mix of thing, right? Okay, it's get a little tough there.
It was very clear in I you suggested me to read this Agile Practitioner Guide.
Hmm.
So that was it is very clearly written in that. I have only learned that book, so that was had the complete end-to-end things. So there was
Hmm.
no confusions on that part actually.
Hmm. Oh, that's quite interesting. As you follow that, good. And what about the any calculations? Anything on the mathematics side? Was there velocity,
So I had 2 questions on not velocity on the EVAs.
EVM?
So yeah, EVMs,
Ah,
and it was quite simple. Only SPI and CPI came.
straightforward.
So straightforward.
Oh, no
So
paper calculator needed.
no, no, nothing, nothing. And there was no the network diagrams were also not there. So I heard that
Oh,
it's not there
those are
anymore.
all gone in December 2020. Gone.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, nice. But did you feel the toughness in the exam until you completed the last question? Did you feel the
Yes.
right? It was
I was
there.
not sure whether the answers I wrote is correct or not. Finally, I thought what I feel is correct is what I should take. Logically, I will go with this. So that's
Nice, nice. And that's a PMI standard, I believe. They make you not feel comfortable till last minute. But how is it a
and
time management? How you do time management for the exam?
oh yeah, that time management part I had worked on it. Like the first time I took, I was taking the whole time to complete the test when I was doing mock test, and I would have done at least 6 complete for 4 hour end to end mock test. I've done at
Hmm.
least 6, no,
Hmm.
4 plus, yeah, more than that I think. So and I try to do it in the same time I will be booking my exam. So 2:30 to 6:30 every weekends I used to do for since
Hmm.
the last time I booked and this time when I rescheduled. So that
Okay.
is one thing. So initially, for doing the first 4 or 5, it was taking 4 hours and whatever minutes was left. But
Hmm.
after I took a break and then I again attempted, I completed it in 3 hours. So I
Wow.
was like, okay, I think I have understood the concepts because I'm not taking more time to read and I'm going faster.
Uh-huh.
So that what do you call the long-term memory, short-term memory thing? I realized that day, okay, it's it's real. So then is when I started getting confidence that okay, I have understood the concepts. I'm able to finish the test in 3 hours.
Nice, nice. The 3 hours is pretty fast. You can
Yeah.
do that. Miss. How was in the main exam? How many minutes you had in the when you completed?
I think I finished in 3 hours. 3 hours, 15 minutes something.
15
But I did
minutes.
not take
Okay.
Yeah.
So 45 minutes you had with you when you know the last question.
Yes.
God, man, look at the speed you had, huh? Okay, yeah. In between, you took break as well. You went for the break and
Yeah.
came back.
Yes. So so I was very clear, and you also had advised me to mandatorily take the 10 minutes break. So I was very clear on it. So mind was refreshed actually after that each 10 minutes, two breaks, it was refreshed. So I
Nice.
used to not think about the questions or what question is going to come next. Take a proper break, come back and start from first.
Look at the break time. We're in the middle of the night. 1:30 a.m. exam started. 3:30 or yeah, almost 3 o'clock. 3 a.m. would have
Yeah.
been the first break,
I
right?
went, made tea, I heated the tea, I drank.
Oh no, I think nobody would have been home awake, right? Only you will be roaming around the
Oh
home.
yeah. My husband and son was there actually. They were very interested to see what is happening. So I said, whatever you do, you had to move 2, 3 rooms apart and sit there. So they were sitting,
Are,
and every time I come,
are they awake whole night?
yeah, they were.
God
So
sake, what a
when they hear my sound, they were running to the kitchen. Let's boil the tea, okay? Let's. And he'll ask. My son was asking like, "Did you get all that?" So I told police is taking my exam. So that's the way he'll not know sound. So did the exam get over? What did police ask you? So I said, no, I still have one part is over. Now my second exam is going to start. So that was
nice,
yeah.
right? Good to know. Good to know.
And when the exam was
So,
over, it was group hug at home. So
so 1:30 started, I mean 2:30, 3:30, 2:30, 3:30, 4:30. By
yeah.
5 o'clock, something would have been closed.
No, it was supposed to be at 1:45, but because of technical issues and all, by 2:30, 2:40 only it started.
That also time gone.
Yeah. So I think it was still 5:30 something, 5:30, 5:45
God's
something.
sake. You had such a romantic time with PMI. PMI decided this day is the day we can't delay her furthermore. Her determination is too high. Please, guys, allow her to write the exam.
Yeah.
I really appreciate it. I was after having call with you, I found okay. Anyway, she was going to travel. You said you were going to drive to different city. Your husband
Yes.
said let's do there and classroom. I mean center-based exam. Then I said fine, she will do that. I stopped that. But morning when I wake up, I open the mobile. I usually once I wake up, I don't take the mobile. Take some time to open the mobile. I open the mobile, so it's been cleared. I was blinking my eyes. Seriously, she only 8 or 10 hours back. I spoke to you. Said I'm not writing exam.
Yes, got
Now
up
I'm
and
thinking,
something happened.
I think surprise, cleared the exam. No, what's happening here? That was a good one. That's a good one. Okay, now tell me about your inputs to the people who are preparing for exam. You want to give some?
Just listen to whatever you tell, do it exactly like that, and you will pass.
Okay. See, many people are preparing for exam. Okay, the only worry is, even though I'm practicing here, really exam will be so tough. It'll be totally different. Kind of a mindset. Always they have that fear with them. If you want to give something, what do you want to give to them?
Clarity of mind and confidence. This two is what I feel is very important.
Hmm.
So we started with writing the 49 process daily once, as
Hmm.
how you had advised us to do. So first we did not know how to fix things in place, like what comes where. But when
Yeah.
we wrote daily, in some time we got it. So we know exactly what step leads to the next step. So that sequence is
Right.
very clear. So
Right.
all that we need to do on the exam day is make sure that we don't have anything bugging us. We are mentally clear, and concentration is there. That's the main thing. So,
Cool. Good.
so
I think
focus,
you made it simple. Have clarity, right?
clarity.
The better the clarity, better you are. Perfect.
Yes.
Perfect. I like the point what you said. Okay. Did you like to give a thank note to your family for doing all this support?
Yes. Yes. I've
Of
been
course.
thanking them ever since.
Okay. Did you give a party to them? Any special party? You
Yes.
cook something? Buy
Yes.
something?
Yes. I got Swiggy, Zomato for last 3 days.
So
So my mom went.
all
Yeah.
the delivery guys are on your place.
Yeah, yeah. So I've not been helping in any household chores or cooking or anything. My mom has
Oh,
been taking care, so I gave her rest for 3 days. No, I'm ordering from out for everybody.
wow. That's cool, right? That's good. That's good. So how is it in the corporate? How do they see this certificate when you cleared it? Did you announce it?
Yes, yes, and everybody was happy. My manager was happy. So they were
Nice.
like, "Wow, you did it!" So,
That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. By the way, do you have you did any application of this? Whatever you read, are you applying something in or planning
Yes,
to
yes.
apply?
No, I didn't have to wait for the PMP certification to apply because it was like, you're walking the value, you're talking the value. So it automatically starts clicking in our mind. Okay, this is what I need to do. Especially the
Exactly.
ethics part is there.
Exactly.
So,
Rightly
yeah.
you said. Rightly you said. I don't have to wait for the certificate, right? When I read, I know what it is. For example, stakeholder management, they're talking about empowering the team. For this, I
Huh.
don't need a certificate to do. Empowering is point of it. So I allow my team to do job. Rather, I put my nose in all the place, right? So
Right, right.
that's nice. That's nice. Cool. Super. Great, Mini. Thanks a lot for coming up here. And we were so excited hearing your story. I know your video is going to be a good video to listen through because
Another,
uh,
another, like you are saying, celebrity video.
the point is, see, I do go with many people, right? At the same time, I'll be talking with 10 or 15 students going for exam.
Yeah.
So I will not talk about one student to another student. So even though we will be talking with the 15 students at the same time, I won't discuss with one student a result to another student. It will be like kept secret until they clear the exam. Because people should have that privacy. We won't spoil the privacy. But yours is a unique one with multiple attempts. And one thing I found with you is you said, I won't give up, man. So you keep hitting again and again and again. And I made sure you give me the PAP.
Yeah.
And also, I've seen people when the exam got cancelled, they'll be so frustrated. The way they talk itself is so down, but you will be so relaxed. Shriram, this time is gone. Shriram, I'll do again.
You are worried. I was laughing so hard. I'll study some more time. Yeah.
Hey, Shriram, this time also Shriram. No, what happened here?
Laughing. I was laughing at what's happening.
Nice. Good learning from you. Take life in an easy mode rather
Yeah,
put the
yeah.
pressure on your mind. It's tough. That's what I'm learning from this incidents. Okay, great.
The planning is very important, and yeah, one thing to say is the UPS for the connection.
Yeah.
If you are giving the exam from home, the main
Yep.
thing is the connection.
Yep.
Always
That's
better
important.
to connect to LAN.
Right. So I'm keep telling people have a better laptop with you because these PMI application, a lot of malpractice is happening. People are trying to do pay me this much, I'll clear the exam for you. There's a group.
Somebody called me up yesterday and said,
Yeah.
"Did you
On the
see this?
roadside, a lot
Somebody
of
has
group are
called me."
there. And they'll tell you pay me, I'll clear the exam. Okay. And they don't know that you pay the money, maybe they'll clear the exam. Within 1 week, they'll also cancel the certificate. Certificate also gone, money also gone. Okay.
Oh.
PMI, I know how to track this. They already started doing a lot. We got a lot of message. Many certificate got a decline. I mean, revoked. Okay.
I got
And
a call from my friend actually. They saw my post and said that, did you pass PMP? So somebody called me and said, give me 35,000 rupees, I'll clear it for you. So who is writing? We have people to write. I was like, that's not the way it works.
it's
Okay.
PMI
So what
ethics
are you going to do
against.
about it?
Yeah, if you get something like that, you can directly report to PMI.
Yeah.
PMI chat and email are there. You can right
Okay.
away tell who is doing like that. And if you have
Yeah.
suspect on somebody, you can tell them. They take action immediately. Okay.
Okay.
And PMI is super good on that. And okay, what I'm telling is the malpractice is heavily happening. That's the reason when a laptop comes in and they load the application, they do a lot of check in that. If in case they found some suspecting app running there, they try to stop it.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the problem. That's why some application doesn't work. That's out. Super, great, Mini. Thanks a lot for coming up here today and giving this wonderful video. And I'm sure it's going to help many of them who are preparing for the examination.
I hope all the people who are going to write the exam will pass with flying colors. And Sriram is there to guide. And thanks to you for putting me in this pedestal and helping me clear. And that's the reason I am here today giving an interview. So thanks a lot to you.
Let's keep rocking. I think your camera got frozen.
Oh, is
Not
it?
sure why. Maybe. Anyway, you are in the standstill smiley face. That's also good.
Thank you.
Keep rocking. All the best and grow up high in your leadership path. All the best.
Thank you. Thank you, Sriram. Thanks a lot.
Bye-bye.